we have come on day 41. Day 41 is dealing with topic algebra, preparation of algebra. In concept corner, we have this revision algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve the problem. So we can see 4 brackets are there. 5 plus 5, 3 minus 13, 5 into 2, 5 divided by 20. So each of this arrangement is called expression. 5 plus 5 is known as expression, 3 minus 13 is known as expression. So these are the expressions. The value of each of these expressions is 10, which means all these 3 expressions are equal to each other. So 3 minus 13 is equal to 5 plus 5. Okay, all these values are same. Now 3 minus 13 is equal to 5 plus 5. Can we say that? Actually, it should be not 3 minus 13, it should be 13 minus 3, because 13 minus 3 is 10, which will be equal to 5 plus 5. So 13 minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5. These are known as equalities, because left hand side of equal to sign and right hand side of equal to sign, both answers are equal, and so that we can put equal to sign in between them, and this is known as equality. So in this way you can write the equalities. What is there in the practice corner? Let us see. Using brackets, write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 15 and use them to write 3 equalities. And in challenging corner we are having 2 questions. So let us solve these questions in our notebook. Question from practice corner and question from challenging corner from day 41. So this is activity sheet number 41. Area is algebra, topic is algebra, subtopic is preparation of algebra. In practice corner, question is using brackets. Write the pairs of numbers whose sum is 15. Sum means total, addition is 15. So first we will be writing the bracket in which we write 2 numbers whose total should be 15, and afterwards we will see what is the next part of our question. So in solution, first write the brackets where we get sum 15. So you can write any 2 numbers whose addition is 15. You can write 10 plus 5 15, 9 plus 6 15, 8 plus 7 15, 12 plus 3 15. Anything you can write, anything. 14 plus 1 15. So addition of 2 numbers in the bracket whose addition, whose answer is 15. So this we have done. Using brackets, write the pair of numbers whose sum is 15. Now next part of the question is use them to write 3 equalities. Equal, that means both the sides of equal to sign should be equal. Answer is equal. So you can write equalities. Equalities. So first equality we can write 10 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 6. Okay, 10 plus 5 is also 15 and 9 plus 6 is also 15. So we can put equal to sign between these 2 brackets. This is known as equalities. 8 plus 7 is equal to 12 plus 3. Again, both the brackets answer is same, and that's why we can use them to write our equality. One more equality you can write 12 plus 3 is equal to 14 plus 1. One more equality you can write. Anything you can write. I can write here maybe 6 plus 9 is equal to 2 plus 13, because 6 plus 9 is also 15 and 2 plus 13 is also 15. So in this way you can write the equalities where both the sides, left hand side as well as right hand side of equal to sign, answer is equal. Now in challenging corner, what we have, find 4 pairs of number, one for each addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division, that make the number 22. We have to make 4 pairs whose answer of subtraction should also be 22, answer of addition should also be 22, answer of multiplication should be 22, answer of division should be 22. So let us do it. In solution, first we do the addition of 2 numbers. Answer should be 22. So I can write 20 plus 2 is 22. If you want, you can write 18 plus 2. Sorry, 18 plus 4. If you want, you can write 15 plus 7. If you want, you can write 10 plus 12. It is up to you. Any two numbers whose addition, whose total should be 22, whose answer should be 22. Now subtraction. You can write 24 minus 2, 22. Correct na? We can write 28 minus 6 is 22. We can write 30 minus 8 is 22. So you can write any two numbers whose subtraction is 22. So 30 minus 8 is also 22. Now let us do the multiplication. Multiplication we can write only 11 into 2. 11 2s are 22, because no other number is having, when we multiply those two numbers, we don't get answer 22. Only 11 2s are 22, or 22 1s are 22, or 22 into 1 is 22. Beside these two brackets, you cannot write any other bracket for answer 22. Multiplication answer 22. Now division. For division, we can write 42 divide by 2, 22, or you can write 88 divide by 4, 22. It is up to you what you write. So any one bracket you will have to write here. Okay, so in this way you can write the answer for this question. Now next question is, write the number in the box that makes statement correct. So let us first see what is there on the left hand side of this symbol. 26 divided by 2. What is the answer of 26 divided by 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 13 we are getting answer. So this 13 should be bigger than this side. So any number added 5, answer should be 13 smaller, smaller than 13. Okay. So if you write 5 plus 7 is 12. If you write 5 plus 6 is 11, you can write any number which is smaller than 7, 7 and smaller than 7. Because if you write 5 plus 8, it will be 13, and 13 is equal to 13. But the symbol is open on this side, that means 13 should be bigger. This side, left hand side, should be bigger than right hand side. So right hand side answer should be smaller than left hand side. Left hand side answer we are getting 13. So right hand side answer should be smaller than 13. It can be 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, anything. So I can write 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 is smaller than 13, and that's why this can make our statement correct. Now 29 minus 8, answer we are getting 21. So this should be smaller than this answer. Okay, smaller. This symbol is closed on this side, that means 21 should be smaller than this answer. So what should I write? I can write 21 only here. So 21 plus 3 will be 24, and 24 is smaller than 21. You can write 22, 23, 24. Any number when added with 3 should be bigger than 21. So in this way you can write any number over here. It is not necessary your answer and my answer should be same. In both these, in all these three questions, it is not necessary that your answer and my answer should be same. These are the open-ended questions, so answer can be different, but you have to see that all the answers should be the valid answers. So here we have completed our activity sheet number 41 from day 41. Now let us go on day 42. Now we are going to continue with day 42 in our same video, because it is related to area algebra and topic is preparation of algebra. See in concept corner what is given: the values of expression are not equal, then it is known as inequality. When both the sides are not equal, then it is known as inequality. We can see here, example is given: 9 plus 5 is not equal to 15 divided by 3, because we all know 9 plus 5 is 14, and 15 divided by 3, answer is 3. Sorry, answer is 5. 5 3s are 15. So 14 and 5 are not equal, and that's why it is shown by equal to sign is cancelled. This is known as inequality. when two sides answer is not equal, this is known as inequality, and this can be shown by equal to sign and put a cross on it, or otherwise we can show greater than and lesser than values also, greater than and lesser than symbols also. So as we all can see here in the next examples, 7 plus 5 is lesser than 7 into 5, because 7 plus 5, this answer 7 plus 5 is 12, and 7 into 5 is 35. So 35 is bigger than 12. So it can be shown by this symbol. This symbol is open towards bigger number and it is close towards the smaller number. Same thing we can see in the next example. 16 into 3 is 48 and 4 into 11 is 44. So 44 is smaller and 48 is bigger, and that's why we can show it by this sign. So these signs and symbols we can use to solve our sums from practice corner and from challenging corner also. So let us solve these sums in our notebook from day 42. Day 42, area is algebra, topic is algebra, subtopic is preparation of algebra. So in practice corner we have to fill in the boxes with this sign, smaller than, equal to, greater than. Okay, so first see the check the answers and then put the sign. 9 plus 6 is 15 and 5 into 7 is 35. So 35 is greater than 15. We have to put the symbol where it is open towards bigger number and close towards small number. So open towards bigger number and close towards small number. 15 is smaller than 35. So it should be like this. Now if you want, you can do mentally. Okay, do this calculation in your mind and then put the sign. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, what is the answer? 24. And 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. On the left hand side also 24 is the answer. On right hand side also 24 is the answer. So 24 24 same, equal answer. So we have to put equal to sign. Next, 16 minus 5 is 11 and 26 divided by 2 is 13. Correct na? 16 minus 5 is 11 and 26 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 13 we are getting. So 13 is bigger than 11. So we have to put this symbol. Bigger, that means this symbol is open towards bigger number and close towards the smaller number. Next one, 24 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We get 12 answer here. 17 minus 6, we get 11 answer here. So 11 is smaller than 12. So the symbol is close towards smaller number and open towards bigger number. 12 is bigger than 11 and that's why 24 divided by 2 is bigger than 17 minus 6. Next one, 17 5s are 35 and 6 6 are 36. 35 is smaller than 36. That is why 7 into 5 is smaller than 6 into 6. 7 5s are 35, 6 6 are 36. So in this way you have to calculate the left side, right side and put the symbol carefully. Now next one is, we have given these symbols and we have to check whether they are right or wrong. So let us first check first one. 27 plus 5 is 32 and 5 plus 27 is also 32. 32 32 are equal. That means this is right statement. So I write here right statement, or only right we can write right. Okay, now 9 plus 4 is 13 and here it is 12. 12 is bigger than 13. 12 is greater than 13. So it is correct symbol. So again it is right. Next one, 32 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32, correct? So 8 is the answer here. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is also 8. Answer on both the sides is same. So there should be equal to sign. But here they have put this greater than sign. So that means it is wrong. It is wrong. 4 7s are 28 and 30 minus 3 is 27. This is 28 and this is 27. They are not equal. 28 is bigger than 27. So equal to sign they have put wrongly. So it is wrong. Okay. So in this way you have to check the answers on both the sides and see whether it is correct or wrong and write down your answer. Now next is, let us solve. Write the number in the box that will make the statement correct. So check what is there on the left hand side and then write the answer in the boxes. 2 6 are 12. In between equal to sign, that means right hand side answer should also be 12. So 15 minus how much answer is 12? 15 minus 3 is 12. So 15 minus 3 is also 12 and 2 6 is also 12. Both answers are equal. Equal to sign is there. Okay, next 5 7s are 35. 35 and bigger than symbol is there. So 35 should be bigger than this number. So 8 multiplied by any number, answer should be smaller than 35. So 8 1s are 8, also you can write 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are is 40. So 8 5s are we cannot write, but we can write 4, 3, 2 and 1. So I can write 4 here. 8 4s are 32. 32 is smaller than 35 and that's why 5 multiplied by 7 is bigger than 8 multiplied by 4. Next, 48 3s divided by 3. What is the answer? 48 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. Answer is 16. So 16 should be smaller than this number. So we all know 6 1s are 6. We cannot write 1 here. It will be smaller. We require a number which is bigger. Bigger. This symbol is open. So this answer should be bigger than 16. So 6 1s are is 6. 6 2s are is 12. 6 3s are is 18. So you can write from 3. You can write 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. So I write 3. 6 3s are 18. You can write 6 4s are also, because that will be bigger than 16. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. It should be bigger than 22 multiplied by what? 1 is bigger than 0 only. Correct? 1 is bigger than 0 only. So we have to write 0 here. 22 zeros are 0 and then it will become bigger. Now 27 minus 9. What is the answer? 27 minus 9. What we get here? 7 and 2. We get 18. Correct? 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So 27 minus 9 is 18. We have to write equal to, and on this side also answer should be 18. So 36 divided by what? Answer should be 18. You have to check it. Can we divide it by 2 and answer will be 18? Let us check. Divide by 2. 36 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 36 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining, this 6 we have to put down. 2 8s are 16. Answer is 18. So correct answer is 2. So in this way you have to check the answer. You have to calculate the brackets and write the correct answer in the boxes. So here we have completed our activity sheet number 42. 41 and 42 we have done in same video. We will continue 43 in our next video. Thank you for watching my video.